Looking for the best electric guitars to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Chord Mojo. Mojo puts out a lot of power with a very small footprint. It says a lot about its level of bespoke engineering in our best overall headphone amp / DAC combo, the Mojo, that it also happens to be eminently portable. At only 82mm x 60mm x 22mm, it doesn't demand any more space than a wallet, and yet it's still capable of delivering some of the best sound in its class thanks to the purpose-built FPGA circuitry that has trickled down from British manufacturer Chord Electronics' multi-thousand-dollar Hugo line of products. Audio reproduction is impressively musical and detailed. You usually have to pay a lot more than $700 for this caliber of sound. You'll wonder how they managed to squeeze such wonderful sound out of such a small package. Remarkable. Housed in a CNC milled aluminum shell, Mojo's build quality is also top-notch. Despite the diminutive size, it manages to include inputs for optical, coax, and micro USB, plus a micro USB charging port for the 8-hour battery. In terms of outputs, it offers two 3.5mm jacks, making it as ideal for audiophile dates as it is for solo listening, though volume is not independent on these outputs. There's power to spare. Output is 35 milliwatts into 600 ohms and 720 milliwatts into 8 ohms, supporting headphones of up to 800 ohms. The DAC specs are also ridiculously impressive, with sampling rate of 32 to 768 kHz and even featuring DSD-256 support. While you may not love the 3 LED globes, indicators for volume control and file resolution, they are unique. Number 2. Rupert Neve Designs RNHP. Superb, reference-grade sound makes this a clear winner for the best solid-state headphone amp. Rupert Neve Designs is a relative newcomer to the hi-fi world, but the company is not without audio experience. The company's namesake and its engineers have been making mix consoles, mic preamps, dynamic shaping modules and more for recording studios since the late 1960s. The RNHP is a 24-volt reference-quality headphone amp based on the circuit in its 5060 centerpiece desktop mixer, full of circuitry praised for its fidelity. The unit comes housed in a VESA-mountable steel chassis, letting you attach it to a mic stand, under studio furniture, and other places with a compatible mount. The Spartan front panel features A, B, and C buttons for the rear panel's 3 selectable channels, a pair of balanced neutral combination jacks capable of taking XLR and TRS, 6.35mm, inputs, the boot-up default, 2 unbalanced RCA jacks calibrated 4-10 dBV signals, and a single 3.5mm port for mobile devices. Output is a 6.5mm jack, so make sure you have an adapter if your headphones use a 3.5mm connector, and volume is controlled by an old-school dial. As you'd expect from one of the top channel strip manufacturers known for transparency, the sound quality is absolutely stunning. Offering an uncompromised spectrum from 10 Hz to 120 kHz, the RNHP is a wonder to hear. It has superb punch and imaging, with remarkable stereo separation and very little crosstalk. Also worth gushing over is the $699 price, which comes in lower than many units that don't have comparable pedigrees. Number 3. Monolith Liquid Platinum. Twin tubes bring extra warmth in the lows and mids. There's something magical about tubes, glowing glass cylinders that direct current through a filament to excite and amplify a signal. Think of them as the light bulbs of audio, but the dimmer controls the intensity of tone. Whereas solid-state gear uses all digital transistors, resistors, capacitors, etc., for a more crisp result, vacuum tubes are famed for the smooth warmth they bring to audio. Reacting positively to overdrive, they're perfect for adding heat and presence to your playback experience. As the best tube headphone amp, Monolith's Liquid Platinum embeds 2 replaceable Electro-Harmonix 6922 tubes alongside solid-state amplification, and those make all the difference. The bass and mids are warm and gooey with a plethora of presence, while transients, those short bursts of energy that accompany hitting a note, shine through even in a wall of sound. Of course, the rest of this amp is no slouch either, bringing together a sweet package that makes this our pick for best tube headphone amp. For starters, it was designed by Alex Cavalli, a renowned audio circuit designer focused on headphone amps. He based it on aspects of his audiophile adored multi-$1,000 Cavalli Audio Liquid Crimson amplifier, released in 2015 and now discontinued. Cavalli designed a fully balanced differential amplification for the Crimson's mono-price successor, focused on conveying the open character of music, with dynamics and detail all benefiting. And at half the cost of the Crimson. The Liquid Platinum looks stunning as well, with a gorgeous design highlighted by those twin tubes peeking out of the top. It pushes 3.6 watts per channel into a 50-ohm load and can comfortably drive headphones of up to 300 ohms. It features both 3-pin XLR balanced inputs and RCA ins and outs on the back, as well as 4-pin XLR and 6.5mm TRS jacks around the front to accommodate balanced, a specific high-power, low-noise wiring scheme, and single-ended, stock, standard, headphone cables. Number 4. AudioQuest DragonFly Cobalt. New DAC and microprocessor chips allow the Cobalt to give music the nimble performance it needs to hover and dart. It used to be that if you wanted a hi-fi listening experience, you had to stay at home with a stationary headphone amp. Now, thanks to the rise of streaming and communication devices, music is as close as our fingertips. AudioQuest wants to make sure that we're hearing that music with as much clarity as possible, and the company's line of lip balm-sized USB DragonFly DAC/amps designed for the computer audio experience does just that. The top of the DragonFly line, Cobalt is the best portable headphone amp because it improves over the already superb Red model in a number of ways. First up is the ESS ES9038Q2M DAC chip. Its minimum phase slow roll-off filter ensures clear and natural sound, although it can be a little unforgiving when it comes to revealing the shortcomings of low-quality audio sources. Its 64-position, 64-bit, bit-perfect offers uncompromising volume control. The casing and circuitry are also great at filtering out Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular noise that can pollute and dilute a listening experience. An improved processor runs faster and more energy efficient. And, with a hefty 2.1-volt headphone amp, this minuscule device will amaze you with its ability to power almost any set of cans you care to pair it with, from 16 to 300 ohms. Number 5. iFi Go Blue. The iFi Go Blue does the impossible and combines excellent sound quality with Bluetooth compatibility. While there are many excellent portable headphone amps with built-in DACs, see AudioQuest DragonFly Cobalt above, they still require a physical connection to a source, including iFi's own excellent USB-C Go link. If you're looking to untether your amp from your music player or smartphone, the Bluetooth 5.1 compatible iFi Go Blue is the way to go for both Apple and Android devices. Smaller than seemingly possible and only 26 grams, iFi Go Blue is so unobtrusive you might even forget it's there. However, you'll certainly notice the improvement it brings to audio quality, despite the inherent limitations of Bluetooth. It offers a wide soundstage with clear and precise audio, thanks to individually optimized circuit stages. It achieves this with a Cirrus Logic CS43131 Advanced DAC, as well as balanced circuits for less crosstalk and noise. Output is 245 mW at 32 ohms, 5.6 V at 600 ohms, balanced, /165 mW at 32 ohms, 2.8 V at 600 ohms, unbalanced, so despite its small size, the Go Blue will power most headphones. Should you find your source sound lacking, iFi Go Blue also includes analog X-Bass and X-Bass enhancements for extra low-end presence and soundstage width. The Swiss chronograph-inspired chronodial is a marvel of ingenuity and manages to pack a number of functions into a very small space, handling analog volume control, track selection and play, plus Bluetooth voice assistant activation.